Hi everybody, Matthias here, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can see YouTube dislikes again, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what you need to do first is to go into your Google Chrome, because you will need to actually use Google Chrome for this to work. And now when you're on Google Chrome, then you need to go into Google, and now we need to search for return YouTube dislikes. So search for your return YouTube dislikes, and now we need to choose this search result right here, as you can see. And now in here we need to click where it says add to Chrome, and then add extension. We need to have this like this extension for it to work basically. So now when you have added the extension, then I'm just going to go into YouTube and demonstrate that it works. So I'm just going to choose one of my own videos in here. We can actually take this one right here. And as you can see, the likes and dislikes, they're like the dislikes is here as well. So this is basically exactly how to do it. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.